Today, we're diving into the world of AI-enhanced language teacher training, exploring how tech is boosting educator skills, ramping up productivity, and delivering personalized feedback that really makes a difference in students' learning experiences. Let's get into it. AI-enhanced language teacher training is all about using artificial intelligence to make language teaching more efficient and effective. The goal is to help teachers integrate AI tools into their classrooms. Let's break this down a bit. First, what are AI tools? These are software or applications that use algorithms to do tasks that usually require human intelligence. This can include everything from analyzing students' writing to providing real-time feedback on their pronunciation. For example, AI can assess a student's essay and give detailed comments on grammar, style, and clarity much faster than a teacher could. The focus of this kind of training is on boosting teachers' productivity. By automating routine tasks like grading or tracking progress, teachers have more time to focus on student interaction, lesson planning, and engagement strategies. This means teachers can work smarter, not harder. They can also spend more time personalizing their approach to accommodate different learning styles and needs. Personalized feedback is super important in language learning. Each student has their own strengths and weaknesses. AI can help detect patterns, like common mistakes or areas where a student excels. This data allows teachers to tailor their feedback, helping students improve where they need it the most. Moreover, AI tools can bring about immediate feedback. Instead of waiting days for feedback on an assignment, students can receive instant insights while practicing on AI platforms. This immediacy helps them make corrections right away and reinforces their learning. Training for teachers involves getting familiar with these AI technologies. Educators might learn how to use specific platforms or tools that offer AI-driven features. They might also discuss the benefits and challenges of implementing AI in their classrooms. It's crucial for teachers to understand how to blend technology with traditional teaching methods effectively. Another key term to note here is data literacy. This refers to the ability to read and analyze data. Teachers will need to become comfortable with interpreting the data that AI systems generate about student performance. This data can help in making informed decisions about lesson adjustments and interventions. Additionally, ethics and data privacy are significant factors in AI-enhanced teaching. Teachers need to be aware of how student data is being used and ensure that it's protected. Trust between students and educators is essential for effective learning, so transparency about AI use is vital. Finally, the ultimate goal of this training isn't just about using technology for the sake of it. It's about enhancing the overall learning experience for students. When teachers effectively use AI, students benefit from a richer educational environment where they can learn at their own pace and receive the support they need. With all this in mind, how do you think the role of the teacher will evolve as AI continues to integrate into language education? You might want to check out the Wikipedia article on artificial intelligence in education. It dives into how AI is transforming teaching, including language training, and can give you some solid insights on the topic. So, as we wrap up, remember that AI isn't just a tool, it's a game changer for language teachers. With the right training, we can boost productivity and offer our students a truly personalized learning journey. Exciting times ahead.